Mastering Kitchen English. Bake for 20 minutes, unpacked. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you'll often encounter in the kitchen, especially if you love baking. We're going to explore what bake for 20 minutes really means, breaking it down for all our English language learners out there. Understanding these instructions can make a world of difference in your cooking and baking adventures. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what bake means. To bake is to cook food by surrounding it with dry heat, typically in an oven. This method is often used for bread, cakes, pastries, and sometimes meat and vegetables. The key here is the use of dry heat, as opposed to boiling or frying, which involve liquid or oil. Baking is a precise process that transforms the ingredients into something delicious and entirely new. Now, when a recipe says to bake for 20 minutes, it's giving you a specific time frame. This doesn't mean approximately 20 minutes, or 20 minutes if you feel like it. It means that the food needs to be exposed to the oven's heat for exactly 20 minutes. This precision is crucial because baking is as much a science as it is an art. The time affects how the food cooks, rises, and ultimately tastes. Too little or too much time can lead to undercooked or overcooked results. While our main focus is on the phrase, bake for 20 minutes, it's important to note that baking always involves a specific temperature. This is usually provided in the recipe and is as crucial as the time. The right temperature ensures that your food bakes evenly and comes out perfect. Always preheat your oven to the required temperature before you start baking. 1. Always preheat. Make sure your oven is at the right temperature before you start baking. This ensures that your food cooks evenly. 2. Set a timer. Use a kitchen timer or the timer on your smartphone to keep track of the baking time. This helps prevent over or under baking. 3. Check for doneness. Sometimes, ovens can be a bit unpredictable. It's okay to check on your food a minute or two before the timer goes off to ensure it's baking as expected. Look for visual cues like golden brown color or when cakes spring back when lightly touched. Understanding the phrase, bake for 20 minutes, is essential for anyone looking to succeed in the kitchen, especially for our friends learning English. Remember, baking is a precise art, and following instructions closely can lead to delicious results. We hope this video helps you on your baking journey and makes your kitchen adventures a little easier. Happy baking, and see you in the next video.